Good morning. Today's topic is e-commerce payment. In this topic, you'll be learning what is commerce, what is e-commerce, what are the different types of payments, that is e-commerce payments are available, how to proceed this, how to use it. All those things you'll be learning in this e-commerce payment. Actually, this e-commerce payment is very important in our day-to-day life. Now everyone knows, now we are in that is lockdown. We cannot move to the bank easily, and we cannot approach the bank staffs to do all our transaction, and we cannot go to ATM to drop the money, because we people are uh, 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 pandemic. We know very well. It is like it is corona is spreading severely, so we need to be very careful to handle everything. So everyone will be getting afraid of go to some places, like go to common places like ATM or a bank. So to overcome this problem, everyone will be using this electronic commerce payment only for all the type of transactions. Before getting into this e-commerce payment, let me explain about what is commerce. Commerce is otherwise called trading of goods. Commerce is otherwise called trading of goods. How will you do trading? Trading in the sense either selling or buying a product or a goods from one person to another person, or from one place to another place. That is called trading, or otherwise commerce. In this e-commerce, if you are doing the same trading with the help of our electronic method, then that will be called as e-commerce. If you are doing electronic commerce, then it will be called as e-commerce. You will be purchasing or selling something through electronic method in the sense through online, with the help of internet. If you are doing any trading, then it will be called as e-commerce. How will you do this commerce through electronic method with the help of internet? Just now we have discussed. If I need to sell, we'll come to the real time application. If I need to sell my car, or if I need to buy a car, what app will be using? Everyone, that app is famous app, everyone knows. That is your homework. You just make a note of answer for this question in your notebook and send it as a PDF to me through Google Classroom. Soon after completing this class, let me give a space for uploading your answer. Which app to be used for selling vehicles? That is the first question. It's a famous app, everyone knows. That's the reason I'm giving this question to you. Apart from that, if I need to buy some clothes, or if I need to buy some electronic gadgets, or if I need to buy some household things, which app to be used for performing all those things? Which app to be used for doing all those process? Either we can download an app and we can use it, or we can do all these process through online also with the help of website. We have very famous websites for doing the shopping things, that is Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal. All those are very famous websites which can be used for doing this e-commerce, electronic commerce, online shopping. That is only e-commerce. Okay. if I'm buying some product. Everyone knows soon after buying some product, we need to do the payment. How will you do the payment? Yeah, the payment to be done either with the help of cards or with the help of mobile banking or with the help of internet banking. Just look at this. When you purchase goods and services online, you pay for them using an electronic medium. This mode of payment without using cash or check is called e-commerce payment. Now we are discussing about e-commerce payment. We have discussed already what is commerce, what is electronic commerce. Now we are discussing about e-commerce payment. When you purchase goods or services online, you pay for them using an electronic medium. This mode of payment without using cash or check is called as e-commerce payment system and is also called as online or electronic payment system. Electronic payment system. We have different types of payment. We'll see now the different types of e-commerce payments are credit card, debit card, smart card, net banking and e-wallet. These are the different types of e-commerce payment. What are the different types? Yeah, of course. Say credit card, debit card, smart card, net banking and e-wallet. These are the different types of e-commerce payment. So any one of these things to be used for performing e-commerce payment. First we'll see about payment by credit card. If it is payment by credit card, after buying something, user pay by providing card number. We'll have a credit card. Initially we need to apply for the credit card to the bank and we need to get it from the bank. Credit card in the sense will be using money without balance. After that will be paying that money to the bank. Will not have any prior balance. Even if you don't have balance, you'll use this card, automatically it will be added in your account. Later on you should pay the amount to the bank to clear this amount balance. How to do payment by credit card? User pay providing card number, expiry date, name of the card, CVN. If you are turning your card, it may be debit card or credit card. On that strip, golden strip, at last you can find out 3 digits. Just go to get a card from your dad or mom and see behind of the card. It may be debit card or credit card. You can find out 3-digit number. For each and every card will have you 3 digits number behind of the card. It will be written on the golden strip. That will be the CV number, that is card verification number. You have card number, expiry date, card name of the card. If you are entering all those things, these are the 4 important data you want to enter whenever we are using credit card or debit card. First thing, you want to enter the card number. After that you want to enter the expiry date. After that you want to enter the name of the card. After that it may be MasterCard or debit card, whatever it may be. Lot of cards will be there. You want to enter the card